Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all. Magandang hapon. We're gonna do unboxing video. Welcome to my channel. So now I have a box from Chill Bella Beauty and Fashion. In-order ko to sa kanyang online direct selling. Tama ba yun? Online direct selling. So you're gonna see what we get. Walang picture to kasi ano to eh, sa kanya to. Sa kanyang Facebook. And she probably need to have a new Facebook kasi namatay ang ilaw ko. Nawala na yung isa niyang Facebook. So, I'll just gonna put the, saan ko ba ilalagay? Dito na lang. I'm gonna put the Facebook picture, tapos yung link sa comment section. By the way, hindi actually sasabihin ko. So by the way, nag-meet kami nung nagpunta kami sa Vegas. And we forgot to take picture because ano lang, kwentuhan. Oh, you see what I'm seeing? Look at this box. This is what I get from her tips. Hindi rin kami nakapag-shopping kasi ikot-ikot lang. This chicharon. Please. Oh, I want malunggay coffee. This is so good, malunggay coffee. Oh, they have different flavor. Sukang paombong, and this one is sukang sili. So spicy and red. Ay, nag-pop. Nabukas. Oh my God. Nag-pop siya. What did I do this? Oh, pang paputi daw to ng kilikili. This one. Then I have the soap. Oh, my favorite. The hope. Then I get the Skinny Peak coffee. Awesome! Puro pala kay bibingot tong ano. I have, hey, this is cute. Look at that. Stretchy. I like this. Ano size na medium? Stretchy to parang one size fit all. Gucci. This one. Oh, I have pajamas. Ooh. Ay, itong dalawa. Barbie at saka unicorn. Ito siya kaya isa kay Vicky. Wow, this one is so cute. My pants. Gusto ko talaga palagi turn yung pajama. Diba? Ang cute niya. So this one guys, no picture. Kasi ano ko to. Sa FB ko binili. Sige na, love all this. And like Sana bumili rin ako ng malaki para partner kami. Partner kaming tatlo. Kaming emoji. Ay, emoji. Ano ba to? Minions. I love minions. Oh, I have this pala, Garfield. Oh, I like Garfield. A pajama. Pajama. Tapos itong duster kay Madeir, bibigay ko. Oh, green pala siya. Meron siyang purple eh. So this one is green. Ay, giginawin si Madeir. Pwede na rin. Yay. Iwan ko na lang to dito. Ano to eh. Maliit sa kanya. Oh! He just died. So, pero meron naman akong light. May extra light ako kahit mamatay siya. Kasi hindi niya nasa-sense na meron pang tao. Papapalitan ko nga ng post button yan. Hindi na siya hindi na siya magiging sensor. So anyway guys, thank you Ate Cici, Love, JRS, Access, Chelbella for the snacks. And ang gaganda ng clothes. So guys, I'm gonna put the link on the Facebook. Kung nasa States kayo, madali lang siyang mag-send. Madali lang kayo makapag-order. And Chelbella sa Facebook, paki-follow na lang siya. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you sa inyong support and love. Don't forget the like, comment, share, and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.